upside down, empty glass, and try to put water on it. Then it's no here. There's no connection. Talking to somebody who is disconnected with you is like that. No matter what you say, it will not go in. So how do you connect with people? Be different. What do you mean be different? If you continue to do what you've always done, you will continue to get what you've always got. The definition of insanity, and some say the definition of stupidity, if they don't want to go up to insanity, is that continuing to do the same thing and expecting a different result. If you do the same thing, you'll get the same result. Have you heard somebody say, I told you 10 times not to do this? First of all, the person who's telling 10 times is stupid. If you tell 9 times and it's not work, why will 10 times work? Think about it logically. Say it differently. Then it will work. Try another way, try another way. Let me give you an example from another group that was very exciting to work with, students. Again, when I'm giving you this example, please look at it from communication perspective and see what you can immediately apply. There were about 500 students, that's the scenario, in a college. And I was a speaker, and I was to give them some lecture. Now students have gone through lectures all their lives. And you know how fed up students are of lectures. Added to that, this mood is a festive mood. Nobody's there to listen. They're all there to have their fun because a fashion show is going to start after that. Look at the barriers in communication is what I just want to emphasize. You may not have exactly the same barriers, but I'm just giving you an example of how to connect. Then nobody gave me any fancy introduction or anything. Nobody gave out nice mailer or organized chairs and things like that. So I was there and I drink lots of water. So I drank 2 glasses of water before I said anything. My point is, communication does not start when you start speaking. It starts well before that. We'll do more of that. When I drank 2 glasses of water, somebody from behind shouted out, "Oh, you're a 2-glass man." 2 glass water. Immediately everybody started laughing. Now is there anything to laugh about? No, but do you need a reason to laugh? You want to laugh? Laugh. So laughing. Communication problem, practical problem. So I had to handle that situation and I'm only sharing with you how I handled it. I said, "Who said that?" Guy from there, "I did." Look at the issue, look at the situation. So I said, "Good." What? Do something different. Huh? No professor, teacher will tell good. Then after that, I said, "That reminds me of a story." I had to handle 500 people of different backgrounds. It's right there. I said, "That reminds me of a story. In America, there used to be this one man, and every night he used to go to the bar, and he used to order 2 glasses of whiskey. Now by now, look at it from communication perspective, I've got their attention. Are you students? Guy talking to whiskey. That's not supposed to be done. Everybody's listening. So every night this guy used to go to the bar and he used to order 2 glasses of whiskey, 2 glasses of rum, 2 glasses of this, 2 glasses of that, every night. Now bartenders in America are like barbers in India. I'm telling them the story, I'm just sharing it. Bless you. Bartenders in America are like barbers in India. When barbers cut the hair, they say, "Sir, how are you? I haven't seen you for a long time." They've never seen you in his life. But they still like to talk. They like to have a conversation. Similarly, when they serve alcohol in America, the bartenders like to talk. Maybe you will hear of it in cross-cultural trading, maybe you will not. So he says, "Sir, why 2 glasses? You want a double large? How many of you drink?" All put your hand up. It's fast. Don't look behind. So you can have a double large. Why 2 separate glasses? So he said, "Why 2 glasses?" He said, "Listen, he's explaining to the bartender, I have a friend in Australia, and I have an arrangement with him that whenever he drinks for me, and whenever I drink for him. So he's in Australia, he's having 2 glasses, America is having 2 glasses. The bartender looks at different strokes for different folks. You get customers of all kinds. You have to adjust. It's a learning. Don't make an issue about it. You're getting your business. He's leaving the glasses behind. What's your problem? So bartender said, "Okay, every night 2 glasses this, 2 glasses that, 2 glasses, 2 glasses whiskey." After 2 weeks, this guy comes back and says, "Only 1 glass whiskey, please." The bartender gets scared. So what happened? Your friend died? He said, No, I stopped drinking. 500 students laughed, came to the top of the triangle. Are you with me? Does that mean you have to give a joke every time to connect people? No way. just do something different.